The Oklahoma Department of Health is offering some safety guidance for holiday gatherings. The department says small gatherings with people you know are safer, obviously, than larger public gatherings. If you have any symptoms, you should not be hosting or going to these gatherings. It says to avoid crowded or poorly ventilated areas. Outdoor gatherings are the safest. The department says that masks are recommended even for those fully vaccinated at public indoor gatherings with high spread rates. It says you should watch your distance, wash your hands frequently, and to get tested for the virus to put off travel until you are fully vaccinated.